Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Navitel T787 device, and I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this tablet. So, using this method, you can record calls on a normal phone, on WhatsApp, on Viber, and in other applications. So, to do it, first I need to open the Play Store. Open Play Store and find here our great Cube ACR. Find it and click Install. Click Open. Next, grant value in the app, hello. Then click OK, go eat. Click hello. And now you need to click no thanks, because we don't want to provide location access to the Cube ACR application. Here of course you can pay for Prime, but we can use this application completely for free. So click on the cross on the left top corner of the screen, but my screen is damaged on this area, so I will try to click on the other part of the screen. So sorry, my screen is damaged on this area. As you can see here I have disabled touch screen, but you can click on this button. So I can click on the continue right now, but if you have normal screen, okay, so I have clicked on the cross on the left top corner and great. So as you can see, you are all set to go, and now Cube ACR application will automatically record calls from WhatsApp, from phone application, and from Viber, from Telegram, and other calling applications. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.